Class 9 Physics Chapter 3 Gravitation. Universal law of gravitation. Every body in the universe attracts every other body with a force directly to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. In short, F is directly proportional to m1 m2 upon d square. Gravitational force is a non-contact force, attractive force, and it depends on masses and distance. The formula of gravitational force is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, in which G is the gravitational constant and it is equal to 6.67 Newton meter square per kilogram square. m1 is equal to mass of the first object, m2 is equal to mass of the second object, and r square is equal to distance between them. Acceleration due to gravity, it is denoted by small g, and it is acceleration gained by gravity. Its SI unit is in meter per second square, same as acceleration. It is a vector quantity, and if we derive the formula of gravitational force, F is equal to G m1 m2 upon r square, if we derive it, there comes the formula of small g, which is equal to G is equal to gravitational constant into mass upon radius square. Mass versus weight. Mass is the actual content present in the body. Weight is force of gravitation acting on the mass. Pressure is equal to force upon area. Its unit is Pascal, and 1 Pascal is equal to 1 Newton per 1 meter square. Buoyant force. Force applied by liquid on any other object inside it is known as buoyant force. It is equal to the amount of liquid displaced by that object. There are 3 cases. Case 1. Buoyant force is equal to weight of that object, then the object will float. Case 2. Buoyant force is smaller than the weight of that object, then the object will sink in the liquid. Case 3. Buoyant force is greater than weight of the object, then the object will not sink and it will float on the above the liquid. And this whole scenario is recorded in Archimedes' principle. Pascal's law. Pascal's law states that if an object is inside any liquid, the force on that object by the liquid is equal in all the directions. Thank you. That's all for this audio.